I wanted to quickly review this wig that I received about like 4 or 5 days ago from Mychicwigs. It is the wig that I'm going to be wearing with this look. Now, Mychicwigs is a human hair company, I believe. I'm not sure if they sell synthetic wigs. I'm not sure. I think they do. But it's mostly human hair. They sell very inexpensive human hair wigs. And Vicky from Mychicwigs sent me over one of their wigs to review for you guys today. So it comes in this beautiful black box with gold lettering. That's kind of sickening. So let's open her up. Oh, you guys are not ready for what I received. So I got a rust red human hair wig. Girl! Oh, shit. So in the box we got 2 clips, we got a comb, and then we got 2 wig caps. That's honestly sickening. A lot of hair companies don't send all of that. Like, they literally send, like, nothing. So shout out to Mychicwigs for sending that. Now, this is what the wig looks like in the bag. So this is her. She's not too thick, but not too thin either. So this is what the wig looks like. This is the lace. The lace is actually really nice. It matches my skin color perfectly. It has baby hairs for the gods, as you can see. Now, when you flip it inside out, it has a comb in the back, 2 combs on the side, and then a comb in the front. I love that so much. And then it has elastic bands. And then it also has lace on the back as well if you want to do like a ponytail. Like, I'm pretty sure you guys could see right there. Has all of that. Alrighty, so this is fully 20 inches of hair, which is not too long, but not too short either, because I've been dying to get human hair that's a little bit longer. And then the lace is 13 by 3. And then it's also a medium size cap. And then it's also 150 density. So if you guys don't know what density means, density in a wig is how thick the wig is. I personally like my wigs up to 150 to 180. I like very, very thick, a very, very thick wig. I think the pink wig, my pink human hair wig is 150 or 180, I'm not sure. But as you can see, it doesn't look like it looks thin. Like, it looks like there's not a lot of hair, but there actually is a lot of hair. They just like thinned it out at the bottom. But yeah, let's just try her on. Look at her, look at her. Oh my god, yes, come through. Oh baby, hold the fuck on. So obviously this hair does not go with this look at all. I really underestimated the color, like how strong the color is, but it's kind of like orangey on camera. On camera it looks red, but I mean, it's kind of like red orange, which I don't like, but it does look like I have bangs, but these are the baby hairs. Oh bitch, this hair is, oh come on, it is sickening. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful wig. There is no like literally no shedding at all. Like, I'm like literally, there's no shedding at all. It does feel a little thin, but I think it's because they thinned it out a lot so that it can move like really nicely. But it is a beautiful, beautiful wig. Now I am not sure if I'm going to wear it with this look, to be honest, because the lips do not match at all. So yeah, this is the hair from Mychicwigs. It's absolutely stunning. I cannot wait to wear this tonight because I am going to be performing tonight, and I'm gonna wear her obviously because she's sickening. But yeah guys, this is Mychicwigs. This is the color Rust Red. Now I'm not sure if they have this on the website, but they have really nice wigs under $200, so I really recommend this website if you are looking for cheap human hair wigs. But yeah guys, so thank you so much Mychicwigs for sending me this hair. I cannot wait to wear her. But yeah you guys, I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna wear for this look because it's not gonna be this hair. So yeah, I'll be right back. All right.